In its centenary year, the University of Western Australia has opened a $6 million e-learning suite for the Faculty of Medicine, Dentistry and Health Sciences. The technology-rich wet lab and collaborative learning spaces, designed by ProAV Solutions WA, replace the traditional show and tell methods previously used to teach medical students about cell biology. Instead, practical sessions see them work together in the lab and then move on to analyse data on real patient blood samples. In the collaborative learning spaces, each 6-student pod has 2 adjacent large screen displays. One display shows data and images from the lecturer, while students can switch between their own computers and devices on the matching second display, allowing data and outcomes to be quickly and effectively compared. At the teaching station, the lecturer can access content from any student's device and then deliver this to individual or all pods. The switching requirements are ferocious, with a total of 235 computers and devices and 59 screens across 3 interconnected rooms. What's more, space is ultra-tight with no room for large racks of equipment at each pod.
Yeah, we researched a number of off-the-shelf collaboration solutions but found none could meet the brief. The next step was to consider a custom design. We quickly realised that with some lateral thinking, the AMX Innova range could provide a simple but flexible one box per pod solution.
Ian's compact design placed an AMX Innova DVX 3155 HD digital presentation switcher at each pod. The 10x4 matrix perfectly met the requirements for 6 student devices and 2 fixed PCs, with smart-scale technology ensuring perfect images on the local displays, irrespective of the capabilities of the student's device. AMX's DX Link provided the high-resolution video and audio interconnection to and from each pod via a structured cabling system. A 7-inch Madero X-Series AMX touch panel completed the picture on each pod, providing simple selection of the colour-coded inputs which emerge neatly from the AMX Hydroport's connection ports set into the desk in each pod. The back end of the system is just as elegant and effective. An AMX Innova DGX digital media switcher takes the 29 pod feeds via DX Link plus signals from the 3 teaching stations and distributes them back to the pods and 1 projector in any combination. Controlling this 235 input monster could quickly become a nightmare for the academics who use this space. But here, the AMX X-Series touch panel and a smart program based on simple colour coding comes to the rescue. At the teaching station, a map of the pods is laid out on the iPad and AMX Series touch panel over a background room colour. The academic simply touches the pod they want to select on the output map, then swipes across to the control panel to the input map and touches the pod they want to send the content from. This brilliantly simple scheme is also available on the move. Using the AMX TP Control app, all functions of the integrated X series are duplicated on 3 Apple iPads to provide wireless control. As academics move between the rooms, they simply swipe left or right to the corresponding colour to enable control over each room.
The outcome of this project has just been amazing. In terms of capability, this is a very complex space. But thanks to the AMX Innova systems, it is elegant, easily maintainable and simple to operate.